Hey friends, if you wish to install Windows 7 classic games on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, here's the thing. We have a website for it because there is no direct way to do it otherwise. The website is win7games.com. I can share it in the description section if you need. Win7games.com. Now it shows all the classic games here. Okay, click on this option and it will show games like Solitaire, Spider Solitaire and all. And how will you download these games? Simply click on download games. Now it will download a zip file of all the games, and all you need to do after this downloading is you can run it directly from that. And this is the only method. I mean, people are asking that can we download these from the Microsoft Store or not? So here's my honest answer. If you check the Microsoft Store, you will find a few games. For example, if you want to play chess, you can find chess, and you will find chess from Microsoft as well. But the problem with this one is that these are not the original games that were played with Windows 7. So they are actually a much better version. Many of them are 3D versions, but they are not the same ones which you would have gotten with Windows 7. If you want to play the traditional versions, then this is the method. If you wish to play the newer versions, then you can find them from the Microsoft Store. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.